Did you know that Ice Age continental drift plays a bigger part in Alien Earth than what's led on in the first episode? Now, throughout the first episode, we get different glimpses of Wendy's mind and how Ice Age relates to her brother. When she checks up on her brother to see how he's doing as he tries to resign from the Force to go back to medical school, she manages to tamper with the system, while her brother pleads to the robot saying, "Have a heart," while Wendy hacks that exact same robot and makes it say, "Or face my furry," where her brother says, "Face my what?" And then everything goes back to normal, referencing that of Ice Age and how they used to watch it as a child. But that in itself doesn't just stop there. The idea of Ice Age continental drift is the continents drifting away from each other, that playing into Alien Earth as all these characters have to face new uncharted territory, as a metaphor as what's to come within Alien Earth. Just as the Ice Age crew is supposed to adapt and find a new home, Alien Earth hints to that exact thing. The breakdown of humanity's world and the potential for catastrophic change, knowing that all of these new alien life forms, including the xenomorph, are now there. More or less a pandemic from all these extraterrestrial beings. But that being said, the same thing can be applied to the humans, cyborgs, and synthetics that exist within this universe. Being faced with the perfect organism on top of other organisms and having to figure out how to deal with it. Being thrown into something new that you've never dealt with and having to survive. Knowing that what was once your home is no longer yours. And even knowing that something that was built by your kind has now been taken over by things that are foreign. So to anyone asking the question of what could possibly be the context of Sid the Sloth and everything related to Ice Age showing up in Alien Earth, there's your answer. And I'm sure the more this series goes on, the more will be revealed.